We all have friends who have left their jobs and switched over to the tech industry. Ever wonder how much they're making now?
Probably a lot. According to MOM's 2022 stats, data analysts make a median income of $5,335. Software and web developers make $9,194. And data scientists make $11,000. And if they ever work their way up to managing director position, they'll potentially be making a whopping $19,000 a month.
I want that money! So if you are also tempted to move into the tech industry after hearing about these numbers, let's talk about feasibility. If you're afraid of the cost, it is surprisingly affordable if you enroll in a General Assembly Tech Bootcamp, especially if you're Singaporean or PR, since you can get up to 90% cost subsidies under IMDA's TIPP. If you're afraid of the time it's going to take or you don't know where to begin, check out General Assembly's ebook for a step-by-step guide on how to kickstart a tech career in just 12 weeks.
If you don't already know, General Assembly is at the forefront of tech talent development.
And it's helped over 2,200 people in Singapore to make a career switch into the tech industry since 2015. They offer boot camps that help you get job ready, even for those without prior education or related work experience. You can choose from data science, software engineering, and UX design, and enroll in their full-time or part-time course.